जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम dear students of class 10th. This is your computer science lecture and we have started today a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, input and output functions, page number 51 till 56. What is an input? Input means to feed something, to feed some data into your computer to get it processed, and output means to get the processed data back in the form of the result. The data that you have sent, computer will process it and will share the result with you, so that will be considered as output. So in programming we also need two things, which is an input function and an output function. Output function, the syntax for writing the output function is printf. In brackets you have to put the control string and list of arguments. So printf is an output function. What is list of arguments? List of arguments is the list of variables, constants, expressions or numeric expressions, etc. For example, if you want to print the values of two variables a and b given in your program, then how you are going to write it? You are going to write it printf in quotes. You will write value of a is percentage %d. Percentage %d is a format specifier. We will discuss about it later. And value of b is percentage %d, comma a, comma b. So a and b are the variables. So you can say that this is the list of variables, and in double quotes we have put the control string. Control string means that anything that you want to print on the screen, that will be print as it is, as per your requirement. So whatever you want to print, you can put it in the double quotes. वो आपका as it is आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर जाके प्रिंट हो जाता है. Then you have input function. In input function you have again two things. You have to write the format specifier with the list of variables. Your list of variables comes with the ampersand sign. Ampersand sign is this one. This resembles the and sign written in English. So list of variables with the ampersand sign, and ampersand is this sign which resembles the and sign in English. And you have to write the format specifier. So format specifier is scanf. Scanf is input function. In double quotes you will write the percentage %d, comma ampersand a and ampersand b. Ampersand a and ampersand b means that these are the variables and you have to write them with the ampersand sign. Let's discuss the important thing, which is the format specifier. Your format specifier actually defines the data type. There are different data types used in C language. For example, we have already discussed about character data type, about float data type, about integer data type. So whenever you are using the format specifier in your printf or scanf function, you have to use it according to the data type that you have declared. For example, I have written a program over here and I have used integer and character data type. So my format specifier will be changed according to the data type I have used. Let's start. I have started the program with hash include stdio.age void main void with the brackets. We have already learned or discussed about these two lines of the code. Now in next line we have declare an integer a. Then printf. This is our output function. Our screen will be printed with enter the value of a. Then input function scanf percentage %d, comma ampersand a. The value of a will be saved with this scanf function, and you have used percentage %d. Percentage %d stands for decimal integer. So here our format specifier is percentage %d. Why percentage %d? Because our integer, a is of integer data type and d stands for decimal integer. Then you have another line or another format specifier used here, in which you are saying printf enter the value of b. This line will be printed on the screen as it is, as these are in the quotes. Then you have write scanf. This is an input function with percentage %c. Percentage %c means that here it is a format specifier used of character type. Why character? Because our B has a data type of character. Then ampersand B, and then you have closed the program with catch and a brackets close. Why bracket close? Because here we have opened the bracket. I hope some of the format specifiers and input output function is clear to you now. That's all for today. Thank you.